In Nigeria, all states and the Federal Capital Territory are said to be endemic, with one or more of the 15 diseases categorized as neglected tropical diseases. These include lymphatic filariasis, also known as elephantiasis, onchocerciasis, known as river blindness, schistosomiasis, soil-transmitted helminthiasis, and trachoma.
And out of that 15, 5, we call those 5 preventive chemotherapy neglected tropical diseases. Then we have 10 that are either we call innovative disease management or case management neglected tropical diseases. Doesn't mean that those in the urban center doesn't have it, but it's very common among the people that live in slum shanties with low income earning, and those people that have poor water supply, poor sanitation practices, and those are within the overcrowded environment.
Research indicates that more than 122 million Nigerians are at risk of the diseases, some of which leave their victims with one form of deformity or another. With 2030 global target to eradicate NTDs through media advocacy, news reporters from across the country were engaged in deliberations on strategies towards tackling the diseases and reducing morbidity and mortality rates to the barest minimum.
Not just for neglected tropical diseases, for many of the programs here in this country and Africa at large, ownership is a big issue. We're also interested in the prevention, and that's why we do what we call WASH NTD integration, which has to do with promoting safe hygiene behaviors that will ensure that people don't get the disease. We are interested in interrupting the transmission of these diseases across 206 LGAs.
UNICEF and the World Health Organization have been involved in the elimination efforts for decades in the country, and with the pledge of continuous commitment, the charged participants at the workshop on setting an agenda for NTD's intervention in the country by engaging the government on funding and not to relent in ensuring the public space is saturated with NTD stories and reports geared towards changing the narrative. In Abuja, Hakimat Aliu, NTA News.